Hi, my name is Kate and I'm from TELUS World of Science Edmonton. I'm here to talk about the science of singing in the shower. This morning I was taking a shower and was wondering why my voice sounds so good in the shower but not otherwise. And so I was wondering if there was science that could explain it. So what happens is in your bathroom you have lots of hard surfaces like tile, and sound travels as a wave similar to light. So if you look in the mirror, you see the light reflected back towards you. Now when you speak or sing, sound gets reflected off of all of the surfaces that are around you as well. So what happens is in your bathroom, as you're singing, that sound is getting reflected and bounced around off of those tiles, comes back to your ears. Some of it gets a slight delay, which makes your voice just sound richer and fuller than it might otherwise. Now, there is a simple test that we can do at home to experience this outside of the shower. So what you will need for this test is a metal bowl. So what I want you to do is take this metal bowl to an arm's length, and you are going to sing into it as you bring it closer to your face. So let's try it. Let it go, you can't hold me back anymore. Let it go, let it go. So I found the perfect spot there where my voice was being reflected back to my ears. So the bowl wasn't making my voice louder, it wasn't amplifying it. What it was doing is just directing more of those sound waves back to my ears, which made my voice sound much louder and much fuller. So you can try this at home or later when you're taking a shower. I encourage you to sing away and see what you notice. So that is all. Thank you for checking out today's Science at Home, and we hope you'll check back tomorrow for more exciting science, and have a great day. Let it go, you can't hold me back.